This is the Google Pixel 10a drop test. The glass on the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which is rated for drops of up to 1 meter onto harsh surfaces. So let's see how this phone handles being dropped onto concrete. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Okay, for the first drop, I'll be dropping it on the screen from head height onto concrete. The glass is completely shattered. I did drop it from a greater distance than 1 meter, but didn't expect it to shatter this bad. At least the screen still powers on, and touch works. I do however feel the edges of the broken glass on my finger. There are also a few nicks in the border of the frame on the front where it impacted the ground, but nothing too bad. The rest of the phone is in good condition, as it did not make contact with the ground. Now onto the second drop. For this drop, I'll be dropping on its back from head height. Looking at the back, we can see some concrete dust which cleans right off, and some minor scrapes on the back of the frame. However, again, nothing too bad. The back plate is plastic, so we're not really looking for cracks in that, just scratches, of which I barely see any. Whatever looks like a scratch pretty much cleans off the plastic back. The screen still powers on and works. For the third drop, I'll attempt to drop it on its side from a little over waist height. It didn't really land on its side, but instead the back corner was the first to hit the ground. We do see a good chip in the paint on the frame, but nothing really on the plastic backplate. There are also some minor chips or scrapes on the top corner of the back. As for the screen, it's still operating and usable. Onto the fourth and final drop. I'll attempt to drop it on the bottom rim of the phone from a little over waist height. We can see a decent amount of scrapes in the frame from impacting the ground. We can also see a gash or depression on the bottom corner of the glass, possibly due to pressure from the frame passing onto the glass when hitting the floor. Surprisingly, the screen is still powering on and working. I would have thought it would have been showing lines, or a black spot on the screen from the depression in the glass. There are also some additional scrapes around the frame. When it comes to the back plate or cover, you don't need to worry about scratches showing or any cracks if you drop the phone. Since it's plastic, it's obviously more durable when it comes to drops versus glass. So when it comes to the Pixel 10a, I would definitely recommend using a case. Even with the slightest of drops, I would expect to see a crack or two on the screen if it has no case or extra protection. However, the screen itself, aside from the glass over it, surprisingly did well. With the amount of damage to the glass, I wasn't expecting it to operate normally. So at least if you happen to drop your Pixel 10a, you can most likely expect it to still work even with cracks, which will give you time into looking for a replacement screen, as well as being able to get your data backed up or off of the phone and so forth. I'll also be doing a teardown on this phone, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.